Hey guys, it's Davita with WTI, and this is the LG Smart TV 32-inch in the color white. I really love this TV. I find it to be perfect for smaller spaces. So if you're looking for a TV for your kitchen, or even perhaps for a bedroom, I think this is the perfect size, honestly. I love it here mounted on the wall, and what I really like about it is, as you can see here, they're really crisp, vivid colors, which is something that I really like when I'm looking for a TV. And I like that it's super simple to use. So it comes with a remote, and the remote has all of the function buttons, like you just click a button for Netflix or even for Amazon Prime, and all of the apps do show up at the bottom of the screen, which is super helpful to navigate and to be able to watch your shows and movies. So I really like this TV overall. I love the little silver frame here, and of course the back part of it's white, and it's just so beautiful. So if you're looking for a TV for a space in your home, then I'd recommend this one, and that's my point of view.